Yeah, so me G, coming out with that sick ass beat, was getting a motherfucking freestyle. Check it out. I'm coming out in the darkness, fuck honest. I'm the fucking G that's banging on your bitches, trying to claim to be the fucking hardest. You're the fucking retardest motherfuckers that I ever seen. Better be quick, you grab your Glock 17, cause I'm on a mission. The bitches always distant, but they're always ending up. Miss a buried on the ground, never give it a fuck. Don't try to make a sound now, cause you're dead now. What you gonna do when you see these fucking G's rolling deep? Strapped up with six motherfucking heaters, 9 millimeters, killing these motherfucking lanes. Getting about shit, cause we some motherfucking G's sporting that famous stars and straps, making noise on the block with them fucking gunshots. Enemies collide on the side, we ain't giving a fuck. Loading up them guns, never giving a fuck. We got plenty of ammunition, but better not be dissing, cause you're gonna end up missing. That's right. Yeah. Only the strong survive in our side, enemies collide. This ain't no motherfucking last state. I'm motherfucking dropping. This a real Southern Cali street rhymes. This ain't no dictionary rhymes. There's always rhymes. That I'm motherfucking dropping. I'm always fucking dropping that gangsta shit. I love the motherfucking time that I'm motherfucking high. Real motherfucking high. Like the birds up in the sky. Kill these motherfucking levas is what I gotta do. I gotta steal these motherfucking levas with the hollow dips. Better not be tripping on this motherfucking G. Rolling up the south side is what I do. Cruising in my ride, busting homicide. Enemies die all the motherfucking time. And that motherfucking side, don't step onto it, cause you'll fucking die with the fucking bullet. Gotta put it down for the crazy south side, cause you know it's do or die. Blue bragging, straight dropping all of these motherfucking chat bitches, cause he ain't about shit, fucking chat bitches. You ain't about shit when I start with my quit. Put it to your frente, cause uno 807. The south side, right loco in the fucking mente. That's right, drop it, hit up with the fucking machete. I don't give a fuck, and I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, and I don't give a fuck. Southside to the dead, D.I.E. That's not the way the line about me. It's a crazy homie, getting down on this beat. I'm cross-faded, and I'm motivated, cause I'm putting that famous head on. And I said, beating on that fucking thick killer bottle. That's right. Hella blown, head of stone, straight tripping and I'm wicked ass on. That's right, I got this fucking bowl that I'm fucking puffing on. That's right, I got this other bowl that I'm fucking on. That's right, I'm hearing big and nice barking. I don't give a fuck, I can fucking sparking up this fucking lane, yo. I don't give a fuck, yo si te enseño, si andas hablando chingaderas en el D.I.E. I don't give a fuck, I'm on dip from the murder scene, no. Clean with the Cortez like these, that's right. Yeah. I sported digital tailors, these motherfucking haters will be motherfucking famous. Don't be hating on us motherfucking G's from the southern part of Cali, cause your West with the up in the weakness. And the motherfucking weakness, fit in the sickness. Every motherfucking time, cause you know it's time to ride for the crazy south side. Keep it in mind, let it do or die. Let it do or die. Let it do or die, fool. Do or die, it's the do or die, it's the do or die, it's the do or die, do or die, it's the do or die, it's the do or die, motherfucker.